Welcome to Onyx Garage. In this video we will show you how to use permissions within Onyx. By default anyone can use any function within Onyx, but if you want to limit what your team can access then you can use the permission system. To enable permissions, go to the options screen and scroll to Enable User Permissions and tick the box to apply. Onyx will give you a brief warning. Press OK and you'll be able to add a new user. We will add Chris and then Chris's permissions. Chris is the manager and will be able to access all features in Onyx. Onyx will remind you that you need to set a password. Press yes and enter a suitable password. You can view the password policy by pressing the policy button. We will also add John. John is given less permissions. He can view and create diary items, view and create invoices, create and edit estimates. By default, all user passwords are set to password with a capital P. You will now be required to enter a password. This password is used to prevent anyone turning off user permissions, so please do not share with other users. Now close the options screen. Onyx is now logged and you cannot access any features without a user logging in. Chris will now log in and he will have access to all the features within Onyx as he has permission. So for example, Chris can access reports. Chris will now log out and John log in. As John's password has not been set, regardless of what he enters as a password, he will be asked to supply a new password. If John tries to view reports, he is unable to as he does not have permission, but if he goes to the diary, which he has permissions for, he can access the functions within here and create a new job, etc. Please subscribe and check out our other videos.